As a new maintenance manager, you have significant responsibility. Ensure the smooth operation of equipment and facilities. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. Your team is your greatest asset. A strong team is essential for success. Building a strong team takes time and effort. When team members feel valued, they are more productive. Invest in your team, and you will reap the rewards. Every team member brings unique strengths and weaknesses to the table. Your role as a manager is to identify and leverage those strengths while providing support to address weaknesses. By recognizing and utilizing the unique talents of each team member, you create a more efficient and effective unit. Encourage team members to share their knowledge and expertise with one another. This can be achieved through mentoring programs, cross-training opportunities, or simply by creating a culture of collaboration and support. When addressing weaknesses, focus on providing constructive feedback and offering opportunities for improvement. Remember, the goal is to help each individual reach their full potential. Regular team meetings, open communication channels, and team-building activities can all contribute to a more united and productive work environment. When team members feel a sense of belonging and camaraderie, they are more likely to go the extra mile and support one another. Effective communication is the lifeblood of any successful team, and this is especially true in maintenance management. Open, honest, and transparent communication is crucial for ensuring that everyone is on the same page, tasks are completed efficiently, and potential problems are identified and addressed promptly. As a manager, you need to establish clear channels of communication with your team. Regular team meetings provide a forum for sharing updates, discussing challenges, and brainstorming solutions. Encourage an open-door policy, where team members feel comfortable approaching you with questions, concerns, or suggestions. Don't just communicate from the top down. Encourage feedback and input from your team. Actively solicit their feedback and demonstrate that you value their input. When team members feel heard and understood, they are more likely to be engaged and invested in their work. In the world of maintenance, things don't always go according to plan. Equipment fails, unexpected challenges arise, and sometimes mistakes happen. It's how you respond to these situations that will set you apart as a leader. Instead of viewing mistakes as failures, embrace them as opportunities for learning and growth. Create a culture where team members feel comfortable taking calculated risks and trying new approaches. Encourage innovation and experimentation, even if it means occasionally encountering setbacks. The key is to foster an environment where mistakes are viewed as learning opportunities, not as reasons for punishment. When mistakes do occur, it's essential to conduct thorough root cause analyses. Instead, work with your team to understand the underlying factors that contributed to the mistake. By identifying the root causes of problems, you can develop effective solutions that prevent similar issues from arising in the future. In any team environment, it's essential that everyone is working towards a common goal. This requires clear communication of objectives, priorities, and expectations. As a maintenance manager, you play a crucial role in aligning your team's efforts and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Start by clearly defining the team's overall goals and objectives. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Once the overarching goals are established, break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks and assign them to individual team members or subgroups. Regular communication is essential for maintaining alignment. Use a variety of channels to keep your team informed, such as team meetings, emails, newsletters, or even a dedicated communication platform. Share updates on progress towards goals, recognize individual and team achievements, and address any roadblocks or challenges that arise. Encourage your team to ask questions, share their perspectives, and provide feedback. Recognizing and rewarding hard work motivates your team and fosters a positive work environment. Small, sincere acknowledgments often have the most significant impact. Make it a habit to appreciate your team's efforts. A simple thank you, a handwritten note, or public acknowledgement can boost morale and reinforce positive behaviors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.